We're in Carnival Celebration, room 14360, in an extended balcony. Walking through the room, here's the thermostat. Plenty of closet space. Safe, and this nice pull-out drawers. Wooden hangers. Even more closet space. And more wooden hangers. Into the bathroom we go. It's a nice toilet. And that's me in the mirror. Glass enclosed shower. A little foothold if you're the kind of person who likes to shave your legs. I clearly do not. And so that's the bathroom. Right out here. It's a sofa with the new Carnival towels. Reading light, if you want to use that in here. And over here to the desk, cups, water, phone on the wall. Here we go. 2 USB-A ports, 3 plugs, and 2 more USB ports. Along with my fun times, TV remote, a mirror, of course, seen here. This is a connecting cabin. So if there were people that I knew on the other side of that door, we could have connecting cabins. The king configuration. Reading light by the bed does have USB port on both sides of the bed. Very large TV here. And now we'll turn around and get another look at the room. This is an extended balcony. It's the largest extended balcony on the side of the ship because we are directly over the Grand Central stage. So I got a couple of chairs, a table. Look at this, I've got lounge chairs. I got a lot of space here. And here we are. Hi. That's my neighbor. Hi. Back inside from the balcony. Only things I missed were the trash can, this little seating area. This is kind of neat. You can actually store things in it, including the doorstop. Well, now I know where they keep the door stops. And then of course the drawers, laundry bags, and some more information about port directories. This is my hair dryer. I don't have a lot of hair, but if I need to dry it, at least I know what to do. And then a cooler. This is where you can put some things in here to keep them cool. It's not a refrigerator though. So that's it. This is Carnival Celebration 14360.